4Runner. I'm gonna run up the medium route on Mount Flexmore.
I just want to see what you hit.
His skid plate is what he hit. Being instructed to go past and do this a little bit so we can miss that skid plate. There we go. All right. So, no lockers?
No lockers.
No lockers on this one. He's gonna have to give it a bump if he's gonna get up at all. That is not a good bump. Oh man, he's trying. He's trying. Oh! Too much squish. Trying one more time, we're coming around.
Same thing the other one just did.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna, I think, reset and take a different route altogether. Be right back. We're back. It's the 4Runner. Just gonna take a different approach. This route is
They're gonna go driver
fun with the descent, and you don't have to struggle to climb, which he was just doing. So this one doesn't require lockers to descend. It still gives you a nice pucker factor. And he's got his skid plate. Gonna scoot right across that tire. Okay, okay. We're looking good.
Passenger rear is gonna drop first.
We're looking good. Oh, we're stuck on the pumpkin.
Try and back up a little.
You're gonna have to give her some juice to clear the pumpkin.
A little bit of the skinny pedal, but pay attention to the tree in front of you too.
There we go. Woo! Scooted right past that little tree. That was fun. All right, we're going over Little Wonder. No sweat. 4Runner coming over Happy Wheel. Looks like no problem. We are good to go. Gotta reform the obstacle a little bit. Other than that, no worries. Got another 4Runner out here. Just doing a up and over.
Driver.
Uh-oh. Looks like we're hung up, probably on a pumpkin. Or a skid plate. Looks like it might be hung up on a skid plate. With the little samurai in the background. What a fun shot. That's the way it works. Okay. Nice. Uh-oh. I think he's hung up. Got his fat underbelly. Oh, yep, there we go. There's where we're hung up. Piece of that chassis. I think we might have to pull the winch out for this one. Yep, we will return for winching. All right, folks. David is trying to convince Brian here in his little samurai to pull off this here 4Runner that we just saw get hung up. Okay.
We got 2 rope tackles, so there's nothing that can really break. Got our trusty Bubba rope gator jaw, a rope tackle you can trust, and then Chinesium on the samurai end. Yeah, and that's straight to the frame.
This one shouldn't take a whole lot.
Not much besides frame.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. I'll tell you when it's taut. About taut. There you go. This is fun to watch.
Hold up. Rescue samurai. Just tell me when.
Yeah! Little samurai to the rescue. What do you have to say for yourself?
The samurai is small, but she is mighty.
Got another victim for the Shelton Shuffle.
One more passenger.
See what the 4Runner is going to do here.
Straighten it up. Watch that tree.
Oh. I just scrape a little bit. Oh, just missed it.
Nice.
Just graced it. Boom.
Like it was nothing.
And meanwhile here, we've got this 4Runner. It's kind of hung up.
I have an idea. Stand back yourself up. Hold that? Yep, hold that. Holding that.
Trying to fix this situation with a few logs chalked under his front driver wheel.
No, I'm in 4 high. Why? It's working because he had to use it. Try to go back and forth. At least you're warming your tires up. That's good. What I want to do right now is I want you to turn hard, drive it. Alright, start turning the
That'll do it,
Come on up.
he thinks. I like his weight loss strategy with no gas cap there.
Alright, so this 4Runner right here is going to try a rear flex on Big Mama, which is the smaller of our 2 flexing tires.
Just a little bit. Hold up.
Be interesting to see how these mud flaps hold up. Let's get a better angle on this. Oh, he's up there.
I don't want you to fall off. I'm on there already? Yeah.
Too easy. Yeah, I climbed right up. And we're thinking the front bumpers would catch on it? Yeah. What PSI did you go down to? That tire's getting some good deformation to it.
I think it was like maybe 15, between 15 and 18.
Alright, here's what 15 PSI looks like. Look at that tire grabbing onto our tire. And meanwhile, got the Bronco over here trying to climb Mount Flex more.
Alright, now you can play. There you go. Yeah. Get the other guy in the